what's up guys, welcome back to Kiera TV and welcome to another movie. So I know a long time I'm not here, we do no intro not like this when the movie start, but we just want to thanks to everybody who been a support. I really appreciate it. Make sure so everybody stay safe and hope everybody alright. This is somebody comment about the room, the light in the room kinda dull. We don't have no light equipment. We hardly have mic and then something. We even have one laptop. So anybody out there who want to help us out with light, stand, battery, charger for light battery them, would I really appreciate it. And anybody who have one laptop, who can edit, we can download the editing app and edit, can just send me a message. The number go up on the screen or down in the description box below. Would I really appreciate the help. Also, anybody who have things like normally work on nurse, or hospital or somewhere who have like nursing clothes or police clothes or something who can send, come give with users props, we would really appreciate it. So just text me or send me a message or comment down there, comment, and then we reach out to you from there. Big up on yourself. Please enjoy the movie. Thanks for the support once again. Thanks to everybody. If you are new, thank you for being over here. If you're new to, subscribe to, turn on the post notification bell, and be a part of Kiera TV family. Thanks. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, Roxanne, I can't go work now.
Alright, so I want me, you go see if you can help out, work out something we can get back my son from his father.
I see what I can do for you, because based on what I tell you, based on what I tell them down there, I'm not too sure. So when I come back from work, you can just tell me what really happened at Westmoreland between you and your ex-boyfriend here, and then I sort you out. Alright?
Alright then, I'm not ready to talk about that, but we try. So by later when you come back, I can tell you everything what happened. Please just see what you can do. Vibe with me, see him one time a week or something. Please, please, please.
Alright, don't worry yourself. I'm going to see what I can do later here. Alright, I'm going to work now, so. Alright.
Good day, Miss Barry.
Good day.
How are you now? I'll pay for them.
Yes, I noticed them kind of dusty, you know. I plan to clean them off. I'm glad to see them come up nice.
Oh, like kind of look dusty for true. So, Miss Valerie, may I ask you? I know, say, from Akeem take away CJ from me. Things kind of rough for me. I know, say, you kind of not really did like when you do, but you done that already. So, I did ask you if you can talk to Akeem and see if you can get. I know you're not going to make me see him back unless we have to go to court and yesterday. But me and CJ friend a little bit and I grew up. I make CJ go to school, buy him book, everything when they did to go back to school. And because I like a phone shoes for the one time I go moving with that, they will cross his man there. In take him away from me. But it now going to make me get him back unless I go to court. But me I say, as you as a grandmother and you as Akeem mother, see if you can get your son. Make CJ come down here to Portland and stay with him for one week or one weekend. So that he can see me. But you're not going to say nothing to him. Because if you say nothing to him when I come to you, you're not going to make him come. So me ask you, what you can do for me? Please.
I think I'll call him attention and sit him down and see if I can work out something.
Please do, Miss Valerie, because we did one man now, and in the abusive towards him, but me never know saying did lick CJ, and CJ go tell him father and never tell me. And child development agency and police and one because something come down for me and I so come and get to take with CJ. I'm left Westmoreland when I deliver with the man and I have to come back here to Portland. And right now the lady when I stay with one strange police lady and she helped me out with the custody and the something to see if they can get it justice for what they do to me. Please, Miss Valerie, just see what you can do for me, please, alright? And just pray for me, please. Come know you're one good Christian lady. Just pray for me, please, alright?
Yeah, man, that's okay.
Alright, so me go. Alright, so just see what you can do for me. I go continue check back and see if you make no progress. You hear, Miss Valerie?
Yeah, man, everything I got right. No worry yourself.
Alright then, so later.
Alright.
Stop.
Wait, hold it! Roxanne! Come here! A dream. What's wrong with you? What that dream about? What that dream about?
Did I beat my dream saying did I keep me and I step up in my head again?
You have to do something about this, you know. You have to do something about this. Tell me exactly what happened.
You know, I say, alright, come and tell you what happened from the start. Me and my son did the affair one place, right? And then one night now, I did book him up in our Westmoreland. And just say he never come from this, so he come from somewhere else. So he take me up, I did help him to find one ATM. And he take my number, whatever. Then we go up on one date. And then me move in with him. He did too fast, me know, but at the same time, there better opportunity for my son because I get to go to a better school. Because school in the ghost where we come from, never nice. So moving with him, move my son to a new school. The first week, the first, not even week, couple days, alright. When it end up to the weekend now, he say I'm going to bring me out. The first night he bring me out, I talk to you wait about they say my son not eat no old shrimp, so they make sure say a different spoon they use their food. And then in the night now, that the first time he put it on for me Friday night. I don't know why I did just continue. I should find this, so I should see sign and see red flag.
No man, I didn't put it on for the first time. You should have stayed there, so you know, you should have stayed there, so. And you should have reported a long time too.
I never did apologize, and the next day they bring chocolate cupcake for me, so I don't know, but well, a couple days after that I did get because sick and I couldn't look about in breakfast and he get abusive one time. And then after that time I just get abusive. I couldn't left him because me don't know what, but me just have it in my mind. I say if he don't like me, he don't love me, which I realize I foolish now. And because I did good opportunity for my son, I never did want left. And then now it did get bad, very bad, and keep me up in my head. Then I say I'm done, I go left. When the last thing what happened when I left in D6, so I don't know what they happened to him after that. But then after I left, I go to one of my friend's place for 1 week. Then my son, I see police and something come and child development agency, and then say they have to take away my son because me have my son on abusive man and him put his hand for my son, and I never know about a few months with their place, and I see my baby father pop out and I smile off my face and then take away my son from.
Alright, Roxanne, why you give me a brief explanation of where exactly happened and which part he live and how shall he live, where we can find him?
Yeah. Alright,
tell you what, tomorrow when we go work, I'm going to make them update in our system and see if they can find him. You hear? Alright. Now I'll go for the notepad in my bag. And you come back and tell me everything here. Exactly everything we are going. Alright. Where's it happen now? Which part does you live?
Alright, so you live at 3 Sliping Road, Kingston 10. And in the Russian John Hill. You live in our yellow and red house. After you go up going on the first lane and you go straight up, you will see it. And he was abusive, he put his hand on my child.
Alright, we have everything locked us on now. So tomorrow, we go work, we make them put everything in our system and everything recorded. So try to see if we can catch your boy here. So later.
So what do you say about my son?
Why, Roxanne? On a kind of sticky still, you know.
What do you mean he kind of sticky? We can't get him back? Never?
I'm not saying I'm going to get him back, you know. But the based on what him tell them. You understand? So, we have to try to see if we can catch him. And then, don't worry about that, man. We have to try to see if we can catch him first and then everything else sort out here.
But I want back my son now. And me and him from him small, I grew up, his father never did it, and then he wrong now. He just come take him from me. How is that possible?
Roxanne, let me say, it's hard for you to get back a child now. I remember say, you did put in hand for your child before and you never do or say anything about it, you never report it or anything. So, let me start out this first and then try to see if we can get him back.
Alright then. Just see what I can do, please, and just make everything work. Because I can't bother with this. I can't stay 1 night without my son. I don't sleep. I have nightmare about my ex. Just do what I can do for me, please. I want to thank you for making me stay here so you don't know me. I'm entirely stranger. You have me in your place. As I say, your daughter room this. Soon gone out of your way. Just deal with that for me, please, 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 and see if you can, or best you can do for me get back my son. I don't care about nothing else, just want back my son, please. Anything what me can do, please.
Alright, don't worry yourself, here. Don't worry yourself. I must try to sort out everything in the best and possible way I can here. Tomorrow, first thing I'm on here. Alright, take it easy now.
Thanks. Thanks, Miss Phillips. Thanks.
You're always welcome, ma'am. Roxanne, morning. How do I feel now?
Right now, I don't even know what to say. I just want back my son. I just start up on mine. I can't even sleep at night time. I just my son up on mine.
Here what go on now. I talked to one of my colleagues them on the phone last night and he said you have to take it to court. But you know, so you have to convince them. You have to put them some hog ball in there or something and make them feel sorry for you. And make them feel sorry for you. So then can, no man, not them, the jury. So you can convince the jury and then give back your son. You can get back your son at the time they hear. You can tell me your son information and field information so that we can go down back down our station. We can put in some more work and get your son sorted out so you can get him back here.
But Mistress Phyllis, I don't have no money for lie, you know. They have a dine and lie if your child custody and they sitting there dear.
Don't worry about that, man. Just put in the information and me sort out everything right and proper the way. Alright, so everything, put in everything correct and everything?
Yeah.
Everything is everything?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, me head out now here.
Alright, Sergeant, please. Thanks again.
See you a little bit. Everything will be good. Evening, Roxanne.
Evening.
Yeah, news for you, good news too.
Sit down and tell me.
Roxanne, I finally started something for you now, but under certain circumstances, you have to go live with him. So you have to go back to him, live with him but not too close. You have to go find him and live with him.
Me have to find him. Me have to live back with him. Just for to catch him. Me detective Phillips, I'm scared, you know, I can't manage to do that now.
Yeah man, you have to do that. I understand how you fear him right now, but you have to do that. Just we can catch him. You have to try and do that for you. Right? Just no worry man. I feel the best.
So detective, no other else way no there when you can get him. And it have to be through me. No other else way no there.
We have to use you to do that. In order for we try to get him in the act, for we have something to charge him for.
Boy detectives, I don't know if me can do it, you know, but because if I that you know have to do to get evidence and so you can arrest him and charge him, me will do it then. I'm scared but me will tough up and do it.
Alright then, I'm going to my room now, so everything will be okay, so just don't worry about it here.
Alright.
Alright.
Thanks again.
You're welcome always. Good you?
I want place bring around this man, one place. Not really far run, but you go on the corner and you go up this one big white orange house.
Hey, you said you left nigga.
Yeah, I left nigga get kind of a little bit hot, so I couldn't bother with that, so I'm just left.
Come on, we are Portland. So is it you like Portland?
Yeah man, you got peaceful so far, so what's wrong with you?
Well, one bad thing happen. From the time you book me off a nigga, and me tell her say, I don't want to talk to you and something. One bag of something did that, man. We can't even talk about that right now, because I'm the point place, so someone may try to reach, because right now, may have to go talk, but I don't know. So, just link me up one day at a time. You still have my number, link me up, and me talk. But right now, I can't talk, because I have something. But you're good otherwise, though.
Yeah man, me alright man, me just there go and chill out, so. I want to your son Daniel. Or Daniel name or CJ? I don't really remember.
I may tell a man nothing. Yeah, we talk another time. Cause
But
my
before
father
you
take
go,
him away from me.
I'm really and tell us that everything happened in the past. I'm sorry, it means I really change.
But alright, man, I understand. But right now, alright?
Oh, nice.
Valerie, yeah. 1 minute. Sorry for disturbing you. Oh, where is it? Miss Valerie, any luck? You get to talk to CJ and father?
Not yet, you know. No worry yourself. Everything will alright.
You sure?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna try my best.
Alright. I find one solution over here. Get to my ex. So the police them can lock him up on something. Because remember, somebody tell us, say, me I work with the police. She come to me yesterday and she tell me, say, it going require for me move back in with him. Dangerous boy, Miss Valley, me afraid. But I just have to do what I do. So I have to go move back in with him, get close with him, so that they can actually get him in action, so they can have something to charge and arrest him for. So that's a solution now we are going to do. I know say dangerous right now, me and afraid, but the police say they say no worry, because they're going to do that with me, and they're going to help me out and prepare me for. So that's what I come to tell you.
Well, Roxanne, that will really sound dangerous and that risky. But just be careful. Good luck.
Hey man, thanks. I'm going to head back home now. You know, I said to them, I go up on the road door and me see Russian, me buck up and I did so scared, but because you know say, you say that me have to go do, I just said I have to play it cool. So me see me look like say you're saying there now, kind of tell me saying live somewhere around somewhere. Come do you see me that go out to the mini mart.
Oh, that means you're in a parish ended. Alright. As Mr. Love, try to get close to him. That's the best way we can catch him. Here.
Alright, Mr. Sweet.
Jackson. Alright, here I plan. I invite Roshan over. Make him go like say in him. Yeah, take him back and everything. And not going away. Not going away with him, you know. Not going away. I say to stay with him. Because I don't want nothing happen. You understand? Just invite him over. And if he try nothing, I'm going in the little cabinet. They say here.
You just need to just convince him to make him think they mean to him for true.
Right.
So like ask him how is him and if he might apologize if he say no problem, everything alright and me forgive him.
Yeah man, everything.
I don't know if we can do that, but I go try because I really want this to just turn out over with. So I go try, alright?
Yeah man. Right. Do everything.
Thanks again.
Yeah. Alright. Just remember say the thing in the cabinet here. You try not to with you, right? Alright, later.
Yeah. Hello? Oh, hold on. There, me don't know if you could come over at my place. We send a location so we can talk and we can tell everything where they at, man. And we can catch up.
Alright, don't tell me kind of busy, so me come then.
Alright, so alright then.
Yeah.
Just as you miss call. Wait, you last? Ready? Stay right is on your phone. You can have a seat. Come to my, well, I know my place is. But our lady, when I don't know what strange lady. After all of it happened, I never have no office stay because after I did in our rent place and I couldn't go back because I never did work through the day I your place in a Negro. So when I come back into now, it did hard for me to get one place and my son, father take him away from me. Police come, child development agency come and say me have to go lose my son. And when brother sitting, son take my son from me. So I try now see if I can get him back. I don't know. I don't know what I got to try. Right now I just in one rush. I just in a one big bump. Like in a life I go through, but I just poke up one big bump and I can't pass. And that's something in a life right now.
So making you get one you better if you get one you can go through faster.
I leave it to one deal with the police them I don't know, because I not
No, you get a lawyer.
I don't want to deal with no police business and no. I can't like police and business and this and that, you know. I'm mother live with me and try because I know you're saying live.
Oh, your father there?
My father not live here so anymore. So my mother me try to get see if she can make him come back here so I can get him back. Or I can even talk to him or something. Me not think. I need even money for it. I'll go look on all lawyer and this and that.
Well, you no matter if you don't like police or not, yes, so now I'm back say I go deal with it. You understand? And really, right now, me change. Come fully me change. I would really like for me get back in or something. Cause right now me change my work, me change all of my habit them. But me used to have everything complete and change. Understand?
Well, the situation I'm in right now, it's kind of hard for me to think about that and that two things at a time. So you remember do, I need to think about and then link it back, we can know. So I can go on with me again. Alright?
Yeah. That sounds good, right?
Alright, so yeah, good now, yeah. Go back.
Yeah. Hello. Then we can reach out. Yeah.
Alright.
Reach out anytime they are ready.
Alright.
Alright.
Evening, son.
Even.
How was the day? Everything was good, right? No day nothing.
Well, you know, say everything goes smooth. Well, we did kind of afraid, but I just we did talk and him apologize. He saying sorry and I tell him say my son get take away and him ask if me no go if we try to get him back, but I tell him say I want to do that, but me not too really in the police, so I never really want to do that, but I tell him say I go try to figure out court and him say sorry about that and he apologize and he say never go at me again and this time things are got different and he really want me and me to get back in the things. That's all, and then he say I go left and then he left.
Alright, that sounds good. But more you convince him, more you get him to come closer to you, but not too close here. Just want to get him in the act. So I think at least he can, if he invite you over and place, want to get closer to him, but not too close enough. I want you to move in back with him so that you can do more, you do something to piss him off. That he can put his hand on you, that we can catch him in the act, that we can have evidence for sure. Say, he do something.
Alright, that sounds good. So how soon am I going to do that? Like when we just reach our what?
No man, you know why you jump in so fast. Why you just take your time and make things run smooth for a while, because we don't want to piss him off too early, making suspect something, you understand?
Alright then, I understand that. So what happen with the custody between my son?
I start out this fear first, don't worry about that. Let me just get that part done with and get it over with first, and then we deal with the rest.
Alright, thanks again.
No man. Okay.
So we do what you tell me, and he say we can come stay with him because me do what you tell me say we do, and he said that alright, so me can come stay with him. So what go happen after this now?
So, I can leave out now, go work, and come back. Later, I can get all the things in for you. You get the bug and camera, so that I can carry them, come gear you, set them up in a place. So, if I nothing, if I try nothing with you, at least we can see everything we're going to come for your assistance here.
That sounds dangerous enough. But alright then, so you go work and then you come back so we can get them something there.
Yeah man, we will carry them come, make a set up in a place. You know if you know, so we are watching.
Alright then, so later then, I'm going to pack some stuff here.
Alright.
I want to talk to you, because the detective I did work with, she said everything I got there in plan now. So here I got Miss Valerie. I'm moving back with my ex who abused me, and we're going to stay with him. We go undercover with the police. I will give her number. You see, if you get CJ, if you come down here, no call my number, none at all, saying no about CJ, no about if me alright, no about police. Because we don't want him to suspect nothing. So I give police the number, and I'm going to make you call her and tell her if you do get him, call her. And if you want to know if me alright, they can just call her and she will give you any updates. Alright?
Yeah man, alright. No problem. Next time me there, all I can tell you is to be careful. Right? And may continue to pray for you, right?
Alright, Miss Wally, thank you.
Good luck.
Good. Let's not even just come to get something. Alright.
Hey, this.
See KIERA'S and away today.
You know, said what? I never tell you about CJ grandmother live here, so I live. So I been a meet up with her and I try. She did a try see if she can get her son to make CJ come down here when we could have seen him. But never did a work out. So but I tell her say if she do get him to come down, she know if he call me. So I give her number. So if one lady call you, she named Valerie Hills. If she call you, I CJ grandmother. Sorry, I never tell you, but we just try to see if we can at least sort out something myself without a pressure with everything.
Alright, Roxanne. Everything alright now. Don't worry yourself, you know. Stay safe. You have your back. So don't worry about nothing. Here.
Alright.
Alright, a bit.
Alright. Like you do a nice place. I return this.
No, sir. I'm meeting my uncle.
Oh, your uncle place. So I'm to your house back at Negril. Where do that?
No, man, I rent there, so did even like, but rent out down there, so come really down there, so I know, so rent it to one lady and her son. 2 room them. So, then down there, go and stay and appear. Them appear rent good so far, so I have no problem with them. So, that's a nice place. Me get my uncle, actually, they're foreigners. We did want to tell you at the time, but they didn't know all the course, so I couldn't tell you. So, they eat already?
No, I know. I'm not even want to eat right now. I just CJ more about. So I just want to get all of them things I sort out. So I'm look for something for you. I can look for something for you.
No worry, man. Everything I got alright. Yeah, me say, just put your trust in a God. You understand? And as we say, you don't want you to do nothing. Nothing you don't want you to do. At this time around, it are different. Change. You don't have to iron my shirt, you don't have to cook, you don't have to do none of this. You understand? Put my trust in a God and change. You understand? So, just go and relax yourself and later go out and have something to eat. Alright?
Alright then. So you can show me bathroom. If you
Come
have
on.
a and
Me go, come on.
change this if we ever go out. Mm.
Yeah, wake you up, you know.
Mm.
But now, wake. I don't know, I'm like, I go to bed late. I go to bed late.
You know what I'm saying? From me dey lose CJ too far that me hardly can sleep. Cause you know, say me and him right through. And me not sleep last night because my bed must sleep about 5. So that's why. So where you gonna do now? You go work or what?
Yeah, me, I go see if me get, when I really start working, you know. I work, me, I get a call, say, if you come down, so, call work today. So, I go see if me get to work. Yeah. But I really like if I get it sick, I don't really like it sit down thing. I really know that too. Like work. Understand? Yeah. So I will go and come back and say I come early. That's why I get up and I try to wake you know, you know? So I go and come back here. So I go. You make them understand what time I will go to work and time I will get paid and stuff like that, you know? Alright, so now later.
Alright. Miss Phillips or Roxanne?
What's up, Master? What's going on now?
You can come over cause you know they come help me to set up the bug and the camera come in and understand them.
10 minutes.
Huh? Alright. Alright, detective, so this way. She's sitting here reading and I don't understand how it works.
Alright. See this here now? See that little button here, so? Just have a press it. When you press it, just start record here.
So now I'll see this one. So yeah, I see everywhere. So it's a record now.
No man, yeah, new technology. When we go work, you just have a click on something and then you start record.
So you are going to activate it from the station.
Yeah man, fully active. When we reach the station, we just do all of that.
Alright, so adjust everything that now. Everything alright now, right?
Yeah man, everything alright. So everything alright different from that, right?
Yeah man, everything good.
Alright, I'm going to work, so look a bit.
Alright, so I walk out. Hey, I look for your movie TV, but I download one. Me never find it, so I'm gonna try download one remote to put on the phone. How was the day? You get to work? Get through?
You want get through, man. Everything go good and I get paid weekly. And I go every early morning and meet them. I chop my work on a cement chop. So I carry clothes tomorrow. Tomorrow I start out. I left my clothes and then I give me one locker. I keep my things in there, so I have to go back and forth with a big bag and something. So good so far. So where you want to eat? Cause I cook my cook.
Oh, that's so nice. Congrats. Glad to hear that. You know what I'm boy better from then take a CJ from me not really eat what anything else but we just eat or whatever you do.
Alright man, dog. Alright, let's look about some chicken then. So some brown stew chicken, eh?
Alright then, I'll be there. Take off the I'm afraid. Morning. We'll go breakfast here. One breakfast.
Remember me tell you say, me no want y'all look on breakfast. Change this time. Alright? Now look boy want a breakfast. So it's me tell you say, I'm changing.
How will I eat?
Listen, listen. Me a change, me a try my best to change here. Now look boy breakfast. Yeah?
Alright, so later.
Love you. I look boy breakfast.
Alright, I'm
Later
going
I'm come and cook for you everything.
Roxanne, everything alright? Oh, yeah, manager over there.
Surprisingly, no Mistress Phillips, everything I move smooth alright. I'm not telling a lie. Like in changing, I want totally different person. Like I not even feel like some people want to continue with this anymore. Honestly, everything's smooth alright. We just feel better than before when we did it together.
Roxanne, don't make that fool here. I make him fool you. An abuser is always an abuser. Here. And then can't change. So no bother with that. We are talking about you know and bother with you. You better continue with you here. Sometimes I do something. And your mind I tell yourself you stop do it. Nobody stop. Continue do it because of the right thing you do.
Mistress Phillips in change. I don't want to go change with you and then I go do this to him. And him is not like that anymore. I don't know, I'm not sure about that now.
Roxanne, remember your son. Nobody make him trick you or fool you. Because if you don't do this, you're going to go on until you don't see your son again.
Alright then, we will continue with it. But I want to know now, every time you tell me say you sort out, what will happen with my son when I can get to the court and win the custody?
Well, Roxanne, that process will take a little longer, you know.
What do you mean it will take longer, Mistress Phillips? I don't understand.
Remember, say you're going to live with him undercover, you know. So we now can't get him back because you live with him now.
So when we will get him back, Mistress Phillips?
When all of this over.
Oh, me are going to know say when all of this over. You not even give me no office sign or nothing. Oh, me are going to legit know say when this over, I may risk my life, me will get back my picnic.
We have to take it to the court.
So when all of this over, me will go to the court and me get him back?
Yes.
Alright. So me will go back to the house now.
Alright, okay.
Alright.
What one you know?
Miss Valerie, I'm not going to tell you a lie, but I must see Carly a week or so. I move in with my ex. As I tell you, I'm undercover with the police if you don't get him. But in change, Miss Valerie, I do things differently. He's not the same person. I tell her I can see it in her eyes and change, and I tell the police detective lady say I don't want to go on with the thing for them lock him up because he change and I believe and my sister he tell me say he change and I see changes for true. I don't know what to do, Miss Valerie.
Roxanne, take me advice. Get rid of the man there. Make that the man there go on about him business. Because once bit, twice shy. You abuse you already and sometimes a sudden stay, then go on like say, them alright and then change. And when you realize the same thing happen again, make him go on about him business.
Alright, Miss Valerie. Alright. May I listen to you say? I'll continue with it. So, where's the, if you have more CJ now, any luck? Please, just please tell me say you have good news, please. Make me CJ back, please.
Why, Roxanne? I try, you know, I try hard. But guess what? My son nah take no talk from me. So I can't do nothing more. Roxanne? I'm sorry, I'm really sorry.
Alright, Miss Valerie. Alright, is everything alright? We just wait it out. Thanks for trying, though. Thank you very much for trying.
You're welcome.
So we are going to go back. We keep on checking CM. Thanks again, yeah. Alright, and pray for me, please.
I will.
You're good?
Yeah, man. How was work?
Alright.
What for dinner?
They feed pork and pork can't cook now too late.
Can I get to go cook for her and I'm
Alright. You can carry out and carry up this in strip dip and place up yourself. You have one nice little catering sitting up.
Yeah.
I'm tell you, I like it. I like it, man. I tell you. I used to tell you this over and change you. Swear to change you. So you want to go bathe? Already? Cheers, you little short. Cheers.
Why didn't baby place hot? Well, for Papa.
Oh, I don't have something. Let's see that.
Alright. Last night was nice. Thanks. Babe, man, something. You want to tell us something?
What now?
But hear me out. No.
Well, I can't get Roxanne for morning. There's nothing wrong with her, you know. I'll try calling her back, yeah.
Babe, I have something to tell you about this one. When you want your bags or nothing, because you say I change for you, and I really see changes, so. Hold on. Hello?
What, Roxanne?
Yes, this is her. Oh, hello, yeah. Alright then, give me about 20 minutes. Thanks. In middle name? No, I mean, I have the birth certificate. Alright then. Hello, yeah.
Oh, what did I say?
I appreciate you. I change. I really, really appreciate you. But if you don't want abuse us, but you change it true. I appreciate
Change
you.
your heart. Yeah. Later,
Alright,
eh?
I love you.
Alright, look.
Have a good day.
Alright.
Roxanne?
I miss Philip.
What, no, come on, I call.
Why Miss Phillips? You know, said, well, yes, when you ring my phone, but just about, I don't know what happened, I come over me, but I did go tell him everything, I go tell him, say, undercover, and he might be watching something, but at the same time, you ring your phone, please, nobody sacrifice me, I'm really sorry, but it just, I don't know what happened.
Why, Roxanne, you really did ever tell him that? So I go still. You understand how you feel and you go through and something.
Miss Phillips, I'm not telling a lie, but you see, as you call me, I go tell him, you know. You call me same time, I come like a God make you call. I'm really, really sorry, do. I'm glad to see you call me, do. So, I'm sorry about that. This time, I don't know what happened, but this time, I'm really, really and truly ready to just do everything now. Cause we can't go manage for that mistake that got again.
Alright, Roxanne. I saw you go. Because you never did that still. A time now for you to smart. Alright, so we're going to prepare for everything you're going to happen and we're going to go down, right?
Alright, so just tell me because I'm ready. I'm ready right now. And what about my son?
Alright. Here we are going to do now. You're going to do what you have to do. And make him put in hand for you. And we're going to do a standby. And we just have a rush in. Get him out and you get back your son. Oh, my son.
You know, sound bad, but for me, it's really, really, really bad. Right now, I'm anxious. But I'm ready. At least I can get to see back CJ. So anything for him. So I go just prepare me, let me know what happen. Everything is set. We get to Mount way, so I can go back to my normal life.
Alright, Roxanne. So come with me.
Even babe, come to you.
Where did they?
I lie, I did go to. Remember me get a call this morning. Down our office, down the road, and then down street. I am Duke Street, something like that, and then we did go look for my friend and they put me up when they just come in.
You sure?
Yeah, babe. Oh, I can't sound like that.
Call you. Why not answer your phone?
You can't answer your phone when they're like office. You have to turn off the phone and leave it out the door. Them people are strict enough.
You alright?
Just show down for me.
Sorry. You alright?
Yeah.
Alright. Sorry for short off, but me I call you all long.
Sorry, babe, but we're going to eat.
Me and something look about you.
Okay.
Ready to eat now? I'll go for it.
Morning. You go be in.
Yeah.
Ready to go right now.
Maybe we should have been called cement right now. So, close them there and bring a car down the street. But you saw one car down there, where them are going. Alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. You know, I'm not eating. I'm not going to breakfast here.
No man, babe, remember say, I tell you some change, you know. And the last time, you there do all of them sitting for me. No want they do nothing. Just relax. Me, I start out myself and go work. You understand? I tell you some change, you know. The more you believe me. The change. Nothing no I do dinner, I cook dinner, I can get dinner. Alright?
Alright then, so later.
No say that, don't say that. Babe. Alright, so later, eh?
Alright. So, what we want to know?
Tell me some things we do to him. And did it together. You piss him off. So something I like. I get him ignorant.
Well, talk to one next month. That is not an option. Don't look my food in there, make me cook. So that is not an option. When I iron his shirt, in there make me iron a shirt, so that is not an option. I don't know. Probably me can use some lipstick, red lipstick, and put it on me like a icky and make him see them. Probably that can work.
Yeah man, that not sound like a bad idea. That will really make him pissed. Yeah, I don't know. You can do that. Get you something. And pick up your neck. And then you come in. You know, and you ask about it. Nobody just say, not act soft, act rough and tell him say I want next man put it on you and see how pissy he is and something. And see if he might go attack you. And then me just come in, arrest him and carry him down the station. And that is it.
And then me get back my son.
Done deal.
But the other time I said me have to go to court. So I still have to go to court to get my son.
The court, yeah man, tomorrow. 9 o'clock, the court date well set long time. You just get yourself together. Just open your clothes and come in. When you come to court now. Listen, when you get yourself together, come to court. Convince the jury, come tell you at first, ball in the face, I make them really know say they really want to make your son. And you know say.
So what me do if we go undercover, that can help me. Me can talk about that too. So me I'll go undercover with me. It's dangerous. So they beat me.
Yeah man, you can tell them all of that man. Tell them, make them know say, you help to tell we to get to take him down so that you can get back your son.
Alright then, detective, so I'm going to see how best I can do to get some fake icky and go back to the house and then try to piss him off so we can get coming, so we can finally get back to CCG.
Yeah, man. Nice doing business with you. And don't worry yourself. You'll get back your son.
Alright.
I'm going to ensure that, right?
Alright.
Alright.
Who put icky on your neck?
Me new man, remember say
You hold it! Hold it! You Mr. Russian ill.
You call police
you
for me?
line up. Yeah. All
You're
of
under
this was
arrest.
a play. Hold him, officer.
You're under arrest. Anything you say or do will be owed against you in the court of law. Let's take him away.
Sorry, but...
You see you?
Sorry, but...
You see?
I just... Thank God.
Yes, Miss Roxanne. Thank you, Roxanne, for risking your life and helping us to catch this abusive man. Well done and congratulations again.
Alright, Miss Phillips, me glad. So tomorrow is 9 o'clock. If you dress up, come and court. Right?
Right.
Alright, so thanks. And thanks for everything you do for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Alright?
Yeah, man, you're welcome all the time.
Alright, so thanks.
Anytime. And make sure next time when you choose a partner, ensure that you're not so abusive here.
Alright. Oh, thank God. Is that where we are, bro? That's where we are. Yeah, good news for you. Good news.
Praise God.
Miss Valerie, you know who to believe what happened today? We finally get locked up. Me and Detective Phillips make one plan, you know, and I put on something for me, fake icky. But Detective Phillips, he did out the door and stand by, but he never know. And then I listen, she and the rest of her crew, I listen through mic and sitting. And he rushed me. And as he rushed me, so the Detective Phillips just come out, Miss Valerie, and stick him up and said, don't move. And he finally in a lock up. And tomorrow 9 o'clock, me have court. Me and your son, I may go get back CJ, can police them. And if the jury them and the court people them, I go say me did help the police to catch him. Just to get back my son. And then the detective police tell me say me have to go ball and convince them and make them know say me have to go back there with me. My ex but they beat me just for me get back my son. So tomorrow me I go to court and me get back my boy and Miss Valerie.
Man, I tell us everything didn't work out, alright? Oh, so God, stay here. You have to continue to trust him, you know?
Yeah, man. I have to.
Alright.
So Miss Valerie, when CJ come back, I will carry him come out of force so you can see him. So come on, let me go. Because I go with this here. Come on.
Alright.
So Miss Valerie, let's go.